In this video, we'll see how to use the production sequencing app to sequence your production orders. Start by creating sequence codes, which help organize your production orders. The codes will be assigned to items you want to manufacture together. Sequence codes are sorted numerically and then alphabetically, so it's best to start with a number. By incrementing numbers by 100, you'll have the flexibility to add new codes between existing ones if needed. Next, assign sequence codes to items that should be manufactured together. For instance, produce light-colored items before darker ones to minimize machine cleaning time. If you update the sequence code after creating production orders, remember to manually refresh the production order to apply the new code. And once a sequence code is associated with an item, the sequence code cannot be deleted. You can choose to set the default start time that will be used when manually setting the sequencing priority for Machine Center or Work Center. Now you're ready to start sequencing your production orders. From the Work Center task list or Machine Center task list, filter the production orders to include only those you want to sequence. You can manually enter the sequence in which the production order should be run. Notice that the start time for sequence priority 1 reflects the default time set for the Work Center. Alternatively, you can calculate the sequence, which will automatically fill in the sequence priority. To do this, select Calculate Sequence and choose your preferred sorting method. By start date and time, production order number, or sequence code. For this example, I'll choose to sort by sequence code, and will select a start date and time. You also have the option to apply the new sequencing immediately, but I'll hold off on that for now. As you can see, if I sort based on sequencing priority, production orders with the same sequence codes are grouped together and ordered numerically. The first production order will start at the selected date and time, with the rest following in sequence. At this point, you can still adjust some of the values if needed. To apply the sequence, select Apply Sequence. You can also choose to exclude any lines that have a 0 in the sequence priority field. Once you select OK, the production orders are updated with the new start dates and times. And now you know how to use the production sequencing app. Contact Nix Systems for more information.